Thank you. This is the social media pressure. No, honestly, because my fans have been asking me to get pictures clicked and they want to see me. And Abhi, since I'm not doing a show, I thought this is the perfect way to interact with my fans. And yeah, that's why I got it done.
So, casual looks and everything, so glam yeah, he's
ये बहुत फॉर्मल है ये कैजुअल किसी भी एंगल से नहीं है दिस इज अ सो बेसिकली आई हैव बीन डूइंग स्ट्रीट स्टाइल फैशन दैट इज समथिंग दैट आई हैव बीन डूइंग ऑन इंस्टाग्राम एंड माय अदर सोशल मीडिया हैंडल्स एंड आज मैंने सोचा कि लेट मी गेट द बेस्ट टैलेंट दैट आई नो हु इज वर्क विद मी and they all are here to support me. My photographer Serish, she's there. Serish. So she इनके साथ मेरा एक बहुत पुराना एसोसिएशन है. We met. How did we meet, Serish?
that's a long story.
Yeah, I think the viewers would want to know.
I think she is one of the most humblest and nicest person genuinely I've ever met in my life. I mean, I came to her randomly with an idea and she was all up for it.
Yeah, and we actually woke up very early for
yeah,
it.
like I made her get up at 4.
So you know, I think I'm going to promise all my followers that जो मैंने सेरिश के साथ पहली बार शूट किया था, it was for a short film.
Yeah.
And I'm going to post that. I've not posted that, so I'm going to post that, and you guys can actually see. So.
We seen on Sunday Saga, like.
Yes, Sunday Saga is one thing. So yeah, we can actually put it on Sunday Saga, and I can actually go on to explain कि सेरिश और मेरी मुलाकात कैसे हुई थी. And then I have my other teammates, Sony, Buran, please come. So these guys have always stood by me, you know, whenever it comes to come. He's the new entrant in my life. She has been doing my hair for the longest time, but आज इन्होंने makeup भी किया है मेरा, Sony, and she has been styling me for 2 to 3 times now, and I love her. And Buran is the new entrant. He has done my hair today. So thank you guys for being here and supporting me. And guys, if you want to actually work with them, follow them on Instagram and get in touch with them. Thank you. मुझे बहुत एफर्ट लगता है ऑनेस्टली ये सब कराना. आई प्रेफर द एक्टिंग पार्ट ऑफ माई लाइफ. ऑल दिस इज फन, हाँ, लेकिन वो कॉन्स्टेंटली यू नो आई प्रेफर एक्टिंग. आई मिस एक्टिंग.
So when you see on screen?
See, honestly, I'm not going to say कि things are in the pipeline. बातें बहुत चली हैं in the past few months, but nothing has really excited me. So it has to be something really different for me to come back on television. So let's hope the producers are listening.
Movies or digital, like short film, we are
हाँ, so I have planned a few things, but उनको execute करने में थोड़ा वक्त लग रहा है. So that's why I said that this is the perfect way right now to interact with you guys, to interact with my fans. And as and when things will happen, Nilofer is going to get in touch with you and let you guys know. Thank you so much. Thank you.